I know ukuthi you are not taking offense ngokusukela nje ngamabomu ngokungena kuleyo subject.
Ukuthi abazali bethu Mr Skim abasitshela iqiniso.
There is someone who says no the site I see and I know for a fact mangikhuluma nabo baya respond abakithi ngihamba nabo.
Mr Skim, unfortunately mina ngine different understanding about that. Ngizothi lo muntu akahambi nezithunywa zakhe. Instead uhamba nama shadow wezithunywa zakhe. Abantu they become proud with fakes. Actually kunabantu abayitshela ukuthi banezithunywa, akusiyithunywa zabo leziya. Ama fake wezithunywa zabo abahamba nazo. Those boys are the fakes. Abanye bathi banamadlozi. Amadlozi are the fakes from your families. Is not mean ukuthi amadlozi wakho baba wakho, because there are many reasons I can ask ukuthi umuntu azothi umama uyagodola. Umama ngimncwabile that time ngamfakela iblanket phezulu kwegasket, still uyabuya futhi ukuthiwa uyagodola. So those things are the fake pretending to become our own families. No, iqiniso liyafuneka Mr Skim, because unama fake he will try to get ifake kama mama again. Angitshela ukuthi umama uyagodola, umama uthi ngimflathela. Ungiflathela yini? Umama makamflathelanga. Into engiflathela ile fake kamama wami. uSaul into wayenza imistake ngayo kuyo consulta wayovusa ifake, hence uNkulunkulu wasuka phezulu koSaul wagibela phezulu koDavid. So people they are proud with fakes that they have and think ukuthi we have an original. Those are the fakes. Ubona the way bahlupheka ngakhona, rituals that need to be done.
A lot of people I know they are going to take offense, but you had said when I am not apologetical.
Yeah,
I mean this is the truth I know, and this is the only truth I will stick by. And if you wake me up at night, I'm going to tell you the same thing. I'm not going to delete daily.
Before we go there, I think Mr Skim, I will say ukuthi the truth always go with an offense, no matter whoever being offended. It's the truth. Nami, I'm talking this based on experience. My father bega isangoma, you know, Baba bega isangoma, and he was a St. John's and everything. So actually, I was supposed to take a position kababu wami.
You lost my people there. Maybe we lost you. Network yakhatha kancane zathi one miss call.
Ngilela ubaba wami spiritual. Kunabantu because i-truth lithi abantu abadala abaningi babo bebathwalela izinto ezi unnecessary. Bathwalela ukulima, bathwalela ukutshala, bathwalela izilwane and stuff. Lezi zinto lesele nathi.
Dlala nabantwana.
You see? So manje that's why ubona ukuthi manje sithi umsebenzi asiyitholi inabanye. It's not about ukuthi ukhesiwe, no, izinto ezabazali bethu which for now they are not necessary. Cabanga uzothwalela ukuyotshala. So ngathi mina at least let's call the elders sibone ukuthi kumoshakalephi, because nalama religion lawo akazwani enjalo, ayabifelana lama religion anjalo.
Go deeper, go deeper.
So people but i-religion Mr Skim isenza ukuthi siyahlebana njalo, as much usho ukuthi omunye uzobhifa uHamoni uma ekholwa kaShembe, uma kanabanikazi bakaShembe, ya abaKristu yenza 1 2 3, amaKristu wenza 3. Ngathi asiyiqede lento le, asibabiza abantu bakaShembe, sibiza amaKristu, sihlale nabo phansi, nibhifelaphi ibhifi yenu iqalephi. Why nizobhifelana? Because omunye uthi ngikhonza uJesu, omunye uthi ukhonza uNkulunkulu, omunye uthi 1 2 3. Izinto abazikhulumayo most abantu bakaShembe azikho, akukho la sibhalwe khona phansi. Sabuya futhi safunda isihlabelelo. I read isihlabelelo ngasifunda so that nami ngibe ne-understanding ukuthi uma sibuza asibuzeni ku-side so ngathola ukuthi kunokuklashana phakathi, which iwo yakhona Mr Skim na today ayikapheli. Thina most of the young pastors with a gift, we don't want to work. Sifuna ukuhlala njena ngifaka insudu yami ngibe ngirelax, but ngibe sengithi yonke into God will provide. Ukuprovide ngobani? Ngamandla kabani la provide ngawo? Ubani ufanele ajuluke ukuze uNkulunkulu aprovide wena? Because most lento in the name of full time ministry yamanyala, most of them they have become full time ministers because they don't want to work. Akekho ubishop ozothi ubishop angashadanga, kusho iBhayibheli kanjalo. iBishop kuthiwa kufanele ishade futhi ingasoleki, but batholakala nama ring esingazi ukuthi owe cult noma awase Bible school, because wonke acisha yafana.